You guys are bringing in our mail that went today. It's unreal. Hey, holler for Lucky.
I feel like Rocky.
Lucky went out halfway to the car and turned around and came back.
You got the policy.
Hey, that's my glitter magazine.
Here.
No, I want that like up around.
You won't be out long.
Oh, good, I'm out here.
Just lay it in there on something that's dry.
You're good, stink.
Don't try to get all at once.
Yeah, wait.
Sleep off right here.
See how windy it is? It's been like this all day. And it's And what time is it?
It's about 5:30.
It's 5:30, March 13th. Quarter to 6, March 13, 1993. And it's been windy like this all day long.
It's worthless to shovel snow.
Yeah.
Well, Missy, go do something.
That plow can't be 2 feet wide there. There's a strip out there about 2-3 feet wide. That's all
Well, go out there with...
That he plowed.
Oh,
Yeah,
look at
that's how
Jake. He
fast
put
the
on
truck
his helmet. Jake, wave.
I'm going to the truck. The dump truck. See how deep the snow is. Get a real idea on that. Oh, hey, Russ.
There goes the Buckster.
There it goes, Lucky. Go ahead, Lucky.
Out here, it's stripped as high as the barrels.
Lucky won't go.
Yeah!
See how windy it is? It's been like this all day. Lucky wants to go so bad, but he don't like it. He's scared.
We're gonna go get buried in snow!
There goes my 3 adventurers. We'll see how long they'll go. It's 5:45. They'll probably be back 5:45. Well, I'll give them 13 till 6. There goes my babies. See, they look blurry because of the snow, the wind. Go with them, Luck. Go with them. Lucky wants to go so bad. Go with them. Go. Go with them. Go, Luck. Go ahead. He's scared too. He figures those dumb bunnies. I have no idea where they're at. Look at this. Okay, here comes my...
Yeah, it's up on the window. Up on the window of the shop.
John wants me to get it out the window of the shop. My word, I'm in snow up to my butt. Look here, snow up to the window of the shop.
Up over here?
And my 2 babies playing. John and Missy. Call Lucky! Call Lucky!
Here, Luck, come on.
Don't ask us why we're out here in this. I guess just to say we were out. Look, you can't even see them. And I'm standing out here. I don't believe this. Here I am. No, you never catch me out here in this. Yet I'm standing here taping it.
That's bitter. Man, look, they're coming back.
Yeah, okay. What time is it? That's right. It is 13 till, just like I said. Ha. Well, there's 2. They must have lost one. The blizzard must have ate them up.
Oh my. That freeze your skin.
Hey, Lucky. Hey, Lucky dog. I think it's getting too cold for my camera. Hey, Lucky. Is he going in enormous? Okay. Here comes my little honey boys. They're going to come in here and knock me over.
You can't breathe, can you?
Wind chill's too bad.
Oh my, it's awful.
I'm guessing 40 below.
It's fierce.
Oh,
Jason has his helmet on. He can handle it, man.
we
Yeah.
were walking up into that
Should put
pile,
your hand on it.
and the snow up to my waist.
We almost stood in that pile of snow that I shoveled.
Yeah, you really look white now. You really look white now.
Oh my, that's cold in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not
I
right down
wanted
my
to go out
neck.
and see what it was like.
Go in here, Lucky.
You
You
don't
feel
wanna.
good. He likes it. This is getting him warm.
Yeah, I can see him thrilled. There's sleeves there, Doc.
I did.
Not good.
Go in. Here, honey. Honey, go in here.
Put a button in it.
Cramps my style. He can't turn in there, can he?
Maybe if we just let him go.
Yeah, we'll just let him go.
You want
like
that
it. I don't like it.
Mom, put a button in it. In the box.
Did you get him on
He
tape?
can't pee with that on.
Yeah, you can.
No, he can't. He won't. He ain't
Shoot.
When we're here, he can pee with that thing on.
Go get it.
Oh, he'll bury that.
We're all getting ready to go outside to play in the snow. There's Judy come down to see us.
No, and I look so pretty.
And there's Missy.
And Scotty's taking off without letting me see him. Hey, cutie, look here. Hi, cutie.
Right there is 11 inches.
That's where it's bloody clean.
Yeah, right here.
That yellow one there's a, that's
That one says 19 and a half inches. That's on the
On the wall.
pathway. That was clear before it started to snow.
my Luxter dog.
Okay.
You just got shoes on.
You got that, Mom?
Why don't you then put my
How many inches
No.
is this one?
That one says 34 inches. That's the high point of the drift right there between my truck and your car.
Lucky didn't get to go out and pee yet.
For 2 days.
For 2 days. We keep time to go out and pee. And he won't.
Step out there where they just shovel.
This is where they were playing yesterday, and it's totally drifted shut.
Okay, I'm gonna go get
This is Sunday morning. What time is it?
11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock. There goes my honey dog.
Watch it, Dad.
There goes.
Stand on your truck.
Snowdrift up.
Kevin's car is covered.
You gotta see this. There's nothing behind your truck here. It's down to the bare thing right beside this door.
Good.
These are my skiing gloves.
Give me that camera.
My skiing pants.
There's no snow. Look at this ridge. We didn't plow this.
Oh my word. It's like empty down there.
Yep. I don't know how far a drop is it. Whoa. But it's a long ways down. There's the scum looking their beautiful self.
Hi, Kev.
Two in that truck.
Alright. See you later. Bye.
Oh, how sweet. Oh. Oh, jeez.
Get that picture.
I have it.
He got it.
Is it red?
Little honey dog had to pay.
Boy, he held it for 2 days.
2 days now he's driving it on the Little honey dog, did you come to me?
Everybody loves my little lucky puppy.
Look at Tam.
Who?
There's her door shut. snowed right up into her door.
Had that, what, 4 or 5 foot thing right there?
Yeah, it's about, I don't know.
Well, that's a good shovel, ain't it, Kevin?
Look at our mailboxes.
Actually, we can get in the passenger side of the car here.
And look how high the snow is up to Judy's waist. Bye, Jude!
Down there's Cliff. Hey, your picture of Cliff moving and you.
Where is he?
This side of the tree.
You get a picture of the boat when it's gorgeous. Can you get in the door, Cal?
The snow's clean up to our window. It's still mighty cold out here. There's little lucky doggy running in the snow. Him just loves it. Look at him running.
Where is it?
Come here, honey dog. Come here. He's gonna knock me over.
Here, Luck.
Hi, honey dog.
Lucky dog. Get that off of me.
Call him.
Huh?
Call Lucky.
Lucky. Here, Luck. Lucky dog.
Hi, Cleo. Cow.
Gotta lay down again.
Here, Lucky.
Cow's over there.
Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. You stupid dog.
It's level, Mom. The snow's up to the porch and it's level. Look in the back how it's drifted there in front of the shop.
Are you gonna send this to Grandma?
Yeah,
Oh. Ah.
it's my tape though. Missy's standing on top of snow. It's about 3 feet deep right there. See the truck? Look, she can almost touch the.
Touched it.
Did ya? Do it again.
Ah.
And yay! See how deep the snow is?
This shovel. I
know.
can't use it. This aluminum works about as good as any.
It doesn't work. I don't know what the deal is.
You know, come on.
Yeah.
Freezing fast to it. You're getting it wet. and
Go
it's cold.
spray that de-icer stuff on it.
No.
He sprayed
Rub
every.
them right off.
That's Peach.
Better wait.
Where else do I put it?
It won't hurt. Where's Kev go?
Down. Back
Look how it's blowed up right here by the shed. That's not piled up, that's blowed in there.
I know, that's what I said.
Just a little bit ago, 3 in a row plow trucks went. One right after the other, right on our road. First we ever saw that. Look at our mailboxes. Today we were watching the TV and Atlanta, Georgia has 16 inches of snow. This is the first year in our life that they
It's illegal for us to be on the highways.
ever closed the roads down.
All the interstates, all the highways in the state are closed.
And we've never heard that before. It's so neat. It's neat being snowed in.
Yeah.
At least we had electricity. Judy lost her electricity yesterday at 4 o'clock and still don't have it. And today is Sunday at what time?
Quarter after 11.
11:15, and she still don't have electric.
Feels like it's 3 o'clock.
I made us egg brunch today for breakfast, and Judy came and ate with us.
And all the churches in Junior County were closed.
Yes, first ever. I'd never heard that before.
Yep, we've had stars like
Break the shovel.
I'm glad I got that. Poor honey boys.
Put a screw, huh?
Well, how am I going to do that? There's no
Go use that
screwdriver
little
there.
red one I was using. Use that little red one I was using, Scott. It worked.
I went to get a hammer the other day. There aren't even any hammers in there.
That's because yours is over at the house.
Where's Kevin?
Yeah, mine's over at the house.
I'm going to go take some pictures
Hammer's in the truck.
with my camera.
Let's go down Norman's and movie camera though.
And movie camera though.
And this in here's great. That snow just blew all over where you just put it, Dad.
Yeah?
Yeah. We can make a tunnel.
Just under here, look at this. Just packed tight under there.
Where are you, Luck?
What are you doing?
He's playing with that string.
Over.
You need to hug.
Here, I'll hug you.
Want me to hug you?
Back there, Scott. Somewhere. Oh, there he is.
Give that on.
Yeah.
Snow in my...
I think I'm gonna turn it off 'cause over there if you can't see it on the window.
Now, if anybody calls and complains about there being snow in their house, you tell them there's even snow in your truck.
That's exactly what I'm going to tell them.
Snowed in. And there's the barrels. And there's my daddy. Nice.
Should be. It's piled up. Too big a hole to take it off. Here, look.
But there's the snow plow and it's stuck on was hill. That's all the farther I can get it in.
Okay, turn it off.
There, that's pretty.
That's what I'm thinking.
Huh? Oh, push that.
Yeah. Let's go.
Bobby Barton come out.
What's your dog?
And Cliff Hart and Frank.
There's
Pretty
Cliff
well
Hart.
drifted in out there.
And there's Frank over there.
Everything's drifted shut, Frank.
And there's Lucky Dog.
Where? I was just out there at the shed. Everything drifted in there going down.
We're
I'm looking up the
Never get a hard
window.
wind out of the east like that.
Bad.
Bill Kerstetter, I got one call already. Bill Kerstetter lost part of his roof.
Yeah.
I can't see him, Mom.
Most people probably didn't go out and check to see what. I got it fired up again and got it over here. And she went right across here.
Oh,
They'll move it now. It's chained on both wheels. He's driving with that flat tire on
they didn't make it.
Lucky dog, you stay here.
That's a lot of snow there.
You bet. I don't see how Farmer got through a little bit ago. He can't.
He was spinning pretty good. But he kept her pretty well hammered.
Who?
Tyler, when you met him. See right there, they didn't plow that down at all the first trip. There's a good foot of snow there when they come down to it.
Well, what happened to all the snow they plowed? There
was 3 trucks that
going up.
Keep snow out.
And it's so windy, it's going to
It'd be what they call a
flash
blackout.
up within the next couple hours.
There's Dottie and
Yeah,
Bill's
we
house
looked
way
at it,
over
it was
there. The Wagner's. Down there's the Bears.
Oh my, look at the berries.
Well,
And there's Frank.
get a picture of this.
Where is he?
Look it.
I can't.
Oh, lay down.
Go ahead. Oh, that really worked.
That stuff's hard.
Yesterday it was nice and soft.
Oh, the power of that wind had last night. Just like that one there on the road.
Where?
Them campers sitting there.
There's a sign.
Big one. There's a culvert there.
Where?
I missed it.
That helps.
Hey, Scott!
Good one.
No, he can't. He,
I can't get up.
he can't get up. He's falling and he can't get up.
Here, ooh.
Oh, jeez. Look here, come. Get over here. Over here. That's Jim McMullen. Yeah, he beat
Hey, I'm
me.
still
That was
taping here.
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I thought it was playing when I
Turn off and I hit the wrong button.
Uh,
I'm going in.
yeah.
He's trying to help and Mom's helping Dad pump up the tire on the van because it's flat. And also Dave to do this. Oh, lucky dog. I thought you were helping. Okay, that's a
And here's a picture of their new truck. It's so big I can't get it all in one picture. This Oh, did it? That's right, you were down there. Tim! Say hi to Mom. We miss you, Graham. Hi, Pat. Say hi to your Pat. Hi, Pat, Donnie. But she was sending us down to them. Hi, Pat.
Hey Mom, we're not having school tomorrow, so we closed.
I know.
Also, Stop 35.
Say hi to Graham.
Hi, Graham. Hiya, Pat.
Fox's Pizza, we're not open
He's
today.
so big.
Abram Automotive is closed tomorrow, yet customers may call in.
Open the door, hon.
Company will not open until Tuesday morning. And these are the businesses that are open for today. Easy Mart is open, there. Sheeting for garage has pizza sale.
I think I have a couple of models up there.
Peachy's doing something to Tam's car. There goes Judy. She's making a path to go up to Tam's trailer. They want to go check on to see if there's anything wrong in the trailer. There she goes, our little Judy.
Along Cam's driveway, though. I'm afraid it's gonna be pretty full.
She's such a sweetie. I think my battery's getting low. Where? John said there's a snow squall coming over our house. I'll just take take a picture of the whole thing and see if you think it is. The wind is blowing tremendous. We walked up here to see how the Wagner's dogs are going, and here's Dottie's house. Look how the snow is over their house. Look how high this bank is here in the road in their driveway. It's crazy. Let's look at that. John's gonna go into Wagner's.
Huh?
Go ahead. Just look how deep that is. We gotta walk up in here to go feed their dogs for them. Just look at this. All overnight. Look how windy it is. It's just so windy. It's crazy. Hear it? Listen. That just reminds me of like Alaskan story or something. Poor Lucky. Sit. Look how you stand. What are the dogs' names?
Down over there is Harvey.
Who?
Sit.
Lucky. Lucky.
Does that dog have much of a ring?
Get Dottie in the back. Get Dottie. In the window. Pour him real close. Lucky, come here. Here's puppy. Here, puppy. Here, Lucky, come here. Lucky, come here. Let that
That's gonna be fun to plow right there. You're doing a good job, guys. Keep it up.
Shove it now. I'll shovel close to it.
Okay.
That'd be great.
This is the third day of our visit. The sunny Gingrich is being nice enough to plow us out. All everybody is doing is shoveling and shoveling. Here's my little boy.
What? You not we tell him what you're going in. I ain't gonna have him take it there.
No, that's too much.
Hey, Cav.
Tell them to wait. Tell Kevin to wait. tarps his whole roof and his trailer all moved off. He just told me he had $10,000 worth of insurance, that's all, and it's not going to touch it.
Don't sit down too hard. Stand up.
There's Dave and Steve trying to do the impossible. Lucky.
You might want to videotape this for funniest people.
Okay, go for it. Oh, I'm missing the best part. You bet it will. Where to put it, he says.
Red light.
Huh?
You have red light on.
Oh yeah.
Light on.
Yeah.
Okay. Did the mail person go yet?
I don't know. Flag's still up.
She might not make it today. This is the Luxor Dome.
Hi Graham. This is 2 weeks after the blizzard. Still pretty big piles of snow. It all melted within the past 2 days or so. But you can see what's left. Now we're going to go down and show you how much all the rain's been flooded everything. Hi Graham, it's Jake again. We're down here at Tennessee Park. Up there's the old house, you can see it. Just show you how much it's really been raining. The creek hasn't been this full in a long time. Good. How many times have you ever seen this? Was out in the road a little bit further to that this morning. You got water everywhere. Here's our own Niagara Falls. All the water out in the road. Then here's my van. Got the mountainside. Nice little creek on the road. There's Scum. Pretty cold, miss? Hey. Look how much it's eaten away the road already. It's only been out here about a day and a half, 2 days maybe. Maybe 3.
It's about a foot right there, maybe.
Well,
Stick your foot in there.
oh, there's a playlist. Oh, that's funny.
We'll walk down here. Well, we're moving on. We're back. We're at Lost Creek now, at the end of the road. Under this, just to show you some more on the water. What's that, miss?
I've never seen it this full before.
Look at this. Oh yeah, look at the tree. That is a nice tree.
Right where that fall is, there's a bridge, a log that goes across.
Yeah, it's long.
It's always like a foot below that.
Yeah, now it's water. She says it looks pretty. Let's see it. Even that little creek going up the road up there is pretty cool. Well, that's it.
In Bill's house. We're driving along very slowly. There's the mountain. Dottie and Bill are going to be moving out of their house in like about 2.5 months. We're going to have new neighbors.
It's like moving to Indiana.
Yeah. Yeah, they're moving to Indiana with their grandkids. And there's the Wagner's house. I forget what their names are though. Is your farmhouse. They really did some changes on it. The pretty mountains.
Get down the gap.
Go where? Where am I going?
Open your left eye. It's there. Forget it. It's too late.
Oops, I missed something.
Hello! I hope you had fun on our adventures. We'll be seeing you in a different hour and different time, some other time, whenever you get home. I hope you had fun on our adventure. But until then, this is Jake.
And Missy.
Signing out. Bye-bye.
Bye.